Hello guys, my name is Amin. In today's episode, Learning Revit, so we want to take a look at creating sets using properties. So this is a great tool that you can isolate a model, select the specific element that you want, and then you can create a set. The good thing about Revizto is when we bring everything through Revit model, we have all the properties for that element. So when you select, you can basically create a set based off the property of an element. And this is going to be very helpful if you want to get really into details on creating sets and create your clash detection process. So without further ado, let's jump into Revit so we can take a look at it, but make sure to subscribe and leave a like so you don't miss any videos.
In today's episode, learning Revizto, I want to go over a different way that we can create search sets. In previous video, we used the selection tree to identify the layers. We put the layers into finding objects, and we created our search set. In this video, I want to use the property. So that's a good thing about the actual Revit. So that it's going to give you the opportunity to create search set based on the property. So you just basically select items like let's say if I want to select these wall break and I have my property sets right there, it basically brings me a really good like basically bringing all the properties that I have from the source model, right? So I can close this one up. You guys can see what we have. So it's a structural node. You can see it's a part of the phasing, dimension, the constraints that these walls have. So, and then also if you want to go based on the item, like what is this type of wall? Block 43, whatever it is, level 3. So it's basically it's gonna provide you with everything. So if I want to select this and I want to only create a search set that include block 43 wide break bending, so I can select that one and then click on this. So as soon as click on it, you can see the find object icon turns on. So when these turned on, it basically telling me that I have the opportunity to look within the model to find the exact same thing, right? So this is gonna save me a lot of time to go over it. And then right now, after I selecting all of these, I can create a new search set. I can add it to the coordinate that I have. I can do the find object and much more. So let me just see, basically click on this and then go for the finding. So you can see it basically says two items selected showing property. So when I click that and then selected this one, so let me just do it one more time. You guys kind of pay attention to this. So I only selected this, which is going to be these 43 wall break. So if I go to the objects, I want to find the object. So it's basically telling me, yeah, there's like two items selected and then there are inside this project. So right now I want to do something else, right? I want to select it. But when I select these, I want to say, okay, find object with the same property. We know it exists, but I want to create a new set, right? So for the set, I just need to create a new set. So when I create the new set, it's taking me back to the exact area that we basically work before, like finding object. So everything is right now is set for me, right? So I just need to hit find all. So if find all is gonna select whatever is available over there, telling me how many selected. I'll just need to save as a new search set, right? So I don't have any folder for it. I just leave it over there and then I'll deal with it later. Create a folder, put it in the folder. But I want to say like a 43 wide break band. And then, okay. So you can see basically in my search set, it creates a new search set for me. So if I can create a folder, let's say that's for my architectural model, I can simply grab these, put it in the architectural, and then right now I have it under architectural. So let me close this. I look for something else. I want to look at these panels. So these are the panels for the exterior ones that I want to find, right? So look at the what is the name of this. And again, you can create your search set based on any type of property that you want to put stuff together. And that's the beauty of it. It's going to give you that opportunity that you can select based on all different type of properties that you have, right? Like parameters, element, phasing. If you have a different zone, you can, do it per zone. If you look at for the specific dimensions or anything that is in Revit and it's basically you have available in Revit, so you can do it. So right now, I want to do this name this guy, which is CP solar panel. Okay. I can, just the same thing. You want to do these three dots or this, it doesn't matter. So I know it's going to be more. So I just want to create new sets, right? So I click on this. It wants me to check everything is good. Yes. And I'm going to hit find. And you can see in the 3D finding all those different type of panels that has the same name, which is going to be CP solar panel, all available. So right now I'm going to hit save as new search set. I'm going to put it in my architectural. This is going to be CP, let's say solar panel. I'll put it in architectural. Okay, showed up over there. So, but the other good thing is you can select two items at the same time. So if I want to look for the square and then these panel, I can do the same thing, right? So I can basically select two items at this point right now. I just want to say find those two, and then select those items. And let's see if there's going to be a difference between those two. So this one, finding 300 items, which is going to be the solar panels. But if I want to specify a type, which is going to be only square and with the same name, let's see how many I can find. So find object. So it goes to 149. So you can see how detailed you can select your items, like basically. And that goes for everywhere. I want to kind of grab these type of window, double hung, and this is the exact same type. So I want to be this. I want to go create a new search set and you can see how it looks like right now. Yes, creating a group for me, right? So it's basically select it has to be window double hung and it has to be 43 by 80. If you want to change it to or, just simply click on it and it changes from and to or. So it's gonna select 43 by 80 or window, or you want to say and. So right now, if I select this and click on it, you can see basically selecting four items that has the same property. Let's just change these to or and then find, and you can see finding 19 items, like all of those. So this is a great tool for you to create your search set for your clash detection and be as specific as possible. Getting into in detail and know exactly what you want to do, right? Because with the properties, you can kind of simply click on stuff and then say, okay, I want to click on this. What is this one? Just the name and type. I want to do this, right? And then when you go over there, make sure to say, okay, find object. Only four, right? And then if you want to create sets, you can select them and then say, okay, I want to create a new set. So it's going to update this box for you with the and is pick four with or basically selecting. Yeah, so that's the same. So you guys can see basically that's the only four available in your model. This is a great tool. Work with it. Create some set. Share in the comments down below. Tell me how you would use these properties to create search sets. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.